In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Work Management for legal teams. To get started, open Jira and go to Projects, then click Create Project. From there, select a Jira Work Management template. The key here is to choose a template that best matches the way your legal team handles work, whether that's contract intake, compliance support, or general legal requests. Once you've chosen the right option, enter a clear project name, such as legal requests or contract management, and click Create. A well-named project makes it much easier for everyone to understand its purpose right away. Next, open your new project and go into Project Settings. This is where you'll create the legal request types your team will use. Set up issue types for common legal tasks like contract review, compliance request, legal research, policy review, document approval, and trademark request. Creating these categories helps standardize intake and makes reporting much more useful later on, since similar work will be grouped consistently. When your request types are ready, click Create to add a legal task. Select the appropriate issue type, then fill in the important details. Include the request description, the requester, the deadline, the priority, and the assigned lawyer or team member. The more complete the information is at this stage, the less back and forth your team will need later. Once everything is entered, click Create. After tasks are created, you can organize the work using different views. Use the List view to manage all legal requests in one place. Switch to the Board view to track progress visually as work moves forward. The Calendar view is useful for monitoring deadlines, and the Timeline view helps when you need to plan larger legal projects over a longer period. To assign legal tasks, open a request and find the assignee field. Choose the team member responsible for handling it, then add comments or instructions if needed. This makes expectations clear and keeps communication attached to the work itself. For contract reviews, create a workflow with stages such as submitted, under review, waiting for approval, changes requested, and completed. As the contract moves through review, simply update the task status so everyone can see where it stands. To manage deadlines and approvals, add due dates to tasks and set priorities for urgent matters. Use comments to request reviews or approvals, and attach legal documents or supporting files directly to the task so everything stays together. Finally, go to Project Settings and open Automation. Create rules to automatically assign requests, send deadline reminders, update statuses, and notify stakeholders when approvals are needed. Automation saves time, reduces manual follow-up, and helps your legal team stay organized and responsive.